This video is continuation of Dasaka 23 of Narayaniyam, the stories of Daksha and Chitraketu. We will be seeing slokas 6 to 11 in this video. Om Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Sri Guruvayurappa Sharanam. Sloka 6. स्तोत्रं च मन्त्रमपि नारददोथ लब्ध्वा तोषाय शेषवपुषो ननु ते तपस्यन् विद्याधराधिपतिदां सहि सप्तरात्रे लब्ध्वाप्यकुण्ठमधिरन्वभजद्भवन्दम्. स्तोत्रं च मन्त्रमपि, then receiving hymns and mantras नारदतः the labdva from Narada. Toshaya Shesha Vapushaha Nanute Tapasyan, for appeasing thee in the form of Adishesha. Nanute Tapasyan, practicing austerities. Vidyadhara Adhipaditam Sahi Saptaratre Labdva, that is the leadership of Vidyadharas, he obtained only in 7 days. Abhi Agundamadihi, still dissatisfied. Annabhajan Bhajandam, he continued to worship thee. Meaning, then receiving hymns and mantras from Narada, he practiced austerities for propitiating thee, who were in the form of Adishesha. Within 7 days, he obtained the leadership of the Vidyadharas. Still dissatisfied, he continued to worship thee with the same fervor. Tasmai mrunalathavaleen sahasrashishna rupena baddhanudhi siddhagana vridena pradurbavan ajirito nudubhi prasanna tattvatma tattvam anugrihya tirodadhada. Nidvihi prasannaha, with the hymns please, tasmai to Chitraketu. Pradurbavan ajirataha mrunala dhavalena sahasrashishna, that is, you quickly manifested as white as lotus stalk, sahasrashishna rupena, with 1,000 heads and surrounded by siddhas. Bandhanudhi Siddhagana Avritena is singing hymns of praises. Then Dattva Atma Tattvam Anugrihya, imparting knowledge of self and blessing him. Tirodadatha, you disappeared. Meaning, quickly you revealed thyself to him in thy form of Adishesha, with 1,000 hoods and white like a lotus stalk, surrounded by bands of siddhas singing hymns of praise. Pleased with the hymns, thou blessed him and imparted to him the knowledge of self, and then you disappeared. त्वद्भक्तमौलिरदसोऽपि च लक्षलक्षं वर्षाणि हर्षुलमना भुवनेषु कामं सङ्गापयन् गुणगणं तव सुन्दरीभिः सङ्गादिरेगरहितो ललितं चचार. Bhakta-mauli Athasa, the greatest of devotees, Chitraketu. Then Apicha, and also Laksha-laksham Varshani Harshulamana, for many years blissfully Lalitam Chachara, happily wandered about. Bhuvaneshu Kamam Sangabayan, in all the words made to be sung. Guna Ganam Tava, your glories. Sundaribihi Sanga Adirega Rahidaga, by beautiful Vidyadharis without much sensuous attachment. Meaning, this great devotee Chitraketu for many years wandered about happily in all the words without much attachment. He led the troop of beautiful Vidyadharis and also caused thy glories and excellences to be sung to his heart's content. अत्यन्तसङ्गविलयाय भवल्प्रणुन्नः नूनं स रौप्यगिरिमाप्यमहल् समाजे निःशङ्गमङ्गकृतवल्लभमङ्गजारिं तं शङ्करं परिहसन् उमयाभिषेवे. Atyanta Sangha Vilayaya, to rid himself of all sensuous hankerings, Bhavan Pranunna Noonam, prompted by you only, Sa Rupyagiri Mapya, he reaching the silver mountain, that is Kailash, Mahat Samaje, in the assembly of sages, he saw Nishangam Angakrita Vallabham, without any inhibition, who had seated his consort on his lap, Angajarim Tam Shankaram, the destroyer of Kamadeva, that Shankara, Parihasan, and ridiculing him, Umaya Abhisheshe. He was cursed by Uma. Meaning, to rid himself completely of all sensuous hankerings prompted by you, he once went to Mount Kailash. There, he saw the destroyer of Kamadeva, Shankara, sitting in the assembly of sages with his consort Uma seated on his lap without any concern. Chitraketu mocked at him and in turn was cursed by Uma. निस्सम्भ्रमस्तय मयाजितशापमोक्षः वृत्तासुरत्वम् उपगम्य सुरेन्द्रयोगी भक्त्यात्मतत्त्वकथनैः समरे विचित्रं शत्रोरपि भ्रममपास्य गतः पदं ते. Nisambhramaः, unperturbed, to Ayam, however, he Chitraketu, Ayajita Shapamoksha, did not ask for relief from the curse. Vritrasuratvam Upagamya, he was born as Vritrasura, Surendra Yodhi, fighting against Indra, Bhaktya, by his devotion, Alpatattva-kathanaihi, and by imparting knowledge of the self, Samare, in the battle, Vichitram, surprisingly, Apasya, Shatroho Abhibramam, removing the delusion of the enemy also, Gadapadante, reached thy abode. Meaning, unperturbed Chitraketu did not ask for relief from the curse and was born as Vritrasura. By his devotion, while fighting in the battle against Indra, he imparted the knowledge of the self to Indra and he removed the delusion of even his enemy. Thereby, he reached thy abode. What a wonder! त्वल्सेवनेन दिदिरिन्द्रवधोद्यतापि तान् प्रत्युदेन्द्रसुहृदो मरुदोऽभिलेभे दुष्टाशयेऽपि शुभदैव भवन्निषेवा तत्तादृशस्त्वमव मां भवनालयेश. Tad sevanena, by worshipping thee, Diti, mother of Asuras, Indra Vada Udyata Abhi, though wanting to kill Indra, Tan Pratyuda, them, instead she begot Indra Suhrada Marudaha, Indra's friends Maruts. Dushta Ashaye Abhi, even for evil-minded persons, Shubhada Eva, thy worship, Bhavat Nisheva, gives good only. Tat Tadrishatvam, though who are thus, Ava Mam, protect me, Pavanalaya Isha, O Lord of Guruvayur. Meaning, Diti, the mother of Asuras, worshipped thee in order to have a son who would kill Indra, but instead gave birth to Maruts, who became friends of Indra. By worshipping thee, even an evil-minded person receives good only. O Guru Ayappa, who are like that, kindly protect me. With this, this chapter 23 is concluded. Here we will have a Bhagavad Sloka. This is a Narayanian sloga only, Uttama Bhakti Prarthana. त्रैगुण्याल् भिन्नरूपं भवति हि भुवने हीनमद्योतमं यद् ज्ञानं श्रद्धा च कर्ता वसतिरपि सुखं कर्म चाहारभेदाः तत्क्षेत्रत्वं निषेवादितु यदिह पुनः त्वत्परं तत्तु सर्वं പ്രാഹുർനൈഗുണ്യാനിഷ്ടം തദനു ഭജനതോ മംക്ഷു സിദ്ധോ ഭവേയം. ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ ശരണം.